10 grand! Ice roads! Luxury that laughs at -50! One of these is the king, but you can't guess which till the end!
Your ride some plush luxury beast you snagged for under 10 grand laughs in the face of it all. Sounds insane. Stick with me, cause by the end, I'll drop the one forgotten king. That'll make you question everything you thought you knew about winter beaters. You won't believe it's legal. Man, I've been chasing horsepower since my old man handed me the keys to a 72 Nova at 14, rebuilt the carb myself with greasy fingers and a prayer. These days, here on Gearhead Garage, we dig up the ghosts of Detroit and beyond. The rides nobody remembers but should worship. We're talking luxury sedans that sip premium like fine whiskey, hug the ice like a long-lost lover, and cost less than a decent set of winter tires. No SUVs, no crossovers, just pure sedan soul that LL plow through 2025's brutal ice roads without breaking a sweat or your bank. Kicking off at number 5, the 2010 to 2015 Buick Regal GS with a WD. Yeah, Buick don't sleep on grandma's grocery getter turned sleeper. Snag a clean one for $7 to $9K with under 120,000 miles. That turbo 2.0 L4 banger churns 270 horses. But the real magic, GM's smart AWD that shuffles torque rearward before you even fishtail. I thrashed one up a Michigan bluff last winter, slush, flying, zero drama while my buddy's new Subaru spun like a top. Plush leather, heated everything, Bose sound that rattles your fillings. History nugget, Buick stole Opel tech from Europe, where these things eat Alps for breakfast. Downside, thirsty at 22 mpg combined, but who cares when you're king of the freeze. Number 4, 2009 to 2012 Acura RL SH-AWD. Under $9,000 for a low-mile legend. Honda's luxury tank nobody talks about anymore. That super handling AWD, it doesn't just grip. It vectors power to the outside rear wheel mid-slide, turning ice into your playground. I hauled mine to the up for a frozen lake run, 290 Henphone Fei and singing. Stability control off, carving turns like a rally car. Tech-loaded nav, that still works. L's audio better than your ex's promises. Released in 05 but peaked here before SUVs killed it. Pro tip, check the timing belt, bulletproof otherwise. Hits 300,000 easy, feels like piloting a spaceship on skates. Slide into 3, 2011 to 2016, Volvo S60. T5 AWD $8 to $10K, gets you Swedish safety porn with turbo punch. Haldex AWD locks instantly on slip, and those massive brakes haul you from 60 to stop like gravity's mad at you. Took mine on a Minnesota backroad blizzard, zero panic. Just serene supremacy. Leather that hugs, seats that massage your soul after 10 hours. Volvo birthed modern crumple zones here. This gen saved lives before it was cool. Quirky insight, the turbo spools like a Jet Zero 260 in 6 flat, but whispers at cruise. Fuel, 23 combined. Forgotten cause, flashy Audis, stole the spotlight. Number 2, 2008 to 2013 Audi A4 Quattro. The gateway drug to eternal Quattro, addiction $6 to $9K4 B8 magic. That longitudinal setup feeds power 40/60ths front, rear, adjusts on the flyest roads. Theft, it's rally bred. I flogged a 10 up a Vermont pass. Snowbelt special, turbo 2.0T with 211 horsepower, feels alive. Suspension dances. Xenons cut fog like knives, MMI infotainment, aged like wine. Audi invented modern AWD in the 80s rally wars. This is the affordable heir. Watch for oil consumption, but at this price, steal. Heated seats melt you into bliss. And the number 1 crown jewel, the one that'll gut punch you. 2007 to 2011 Infiniti M35X, under $8,000. Mint examples floating like manna. Nissan's Forgotten Ninja, 303 horsepower 3.5 LV6. ATTES AWD, that reads the road like a psychic Cretius slip, slams torque rear. I chased ice trucks on Lake Winnipeg in one plush as a Maybach gripped like glue, zero slide, yacht-sized, rear legroom, climate control that defies physics, nav predicting blizzards. Released as the beast to kill Lexus, crushed it quietly till SUVs rose. 2025 prices. Dipping cause purists chase Q50's your gain. This ain't hype. It's the hidden gem that conquers ice roads while coddling you in luxury nobody expects for peanuts. Hugh, feel that rumble in your chest. These beasts prove luxury don't need 6 figures. Grab winter rubber, and you're unstoppable. Which one's calling your name? Drop it below. Did I miss your sleeper? Smash like if you're hunting one tomorrow. Sub for more garage gospel. Share with your crew before the snow flies. Next time, we crack open diesel wagons that laugh at blizzards. What's your ultimate ice road warrior? Tell me. Let's keep the fire burning. Drive safe, legends.